shadows over wounded lands. Souls are lost in shadows past. So much ash, so much pain. It's time to end the fear again. Cries echo in the silence deep. Enough of blood, enough to weep. Open our hearts, reach out our hands. Let the dawn return again. A world with no tears, a world with no war, where children sing forevermore. Let weapons fall, let love arise. May peace return to endless skies. Too many ruins, too many lies in despair. Too many goodbyes that vanished in air. If those in power dare to unite, tomorrow could finally shine bright. Cries echo in the silence deep. Enough of blood, enough to weep. Open our hearts, reach out our hands. Let the dawn return again. A world with no tears, a world with no war, where children sing forevermore. Let weapons fall, let love arise. May peace return to endless skies. Borders are shadows fading away. We share the same sky every day. If love can guide our hearts to see, then tomorrow will be bright and free.